Hello students, today we are going to see chapter 4 climate. In this chapter there is given first activity, study figure 4.1 and 4.2 and answer the following questions. First look at the map, there are given some questions about the map and side of the map. Here this is a figure 4.1 and here this is a figure 4.2. On the basis of these two figures, student must find out answers of given questions. Let us discuss about questions. Question number 1. Considering the isotherms of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil? The answer is, the average range of temperature in Brazil is 18 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Question number 2. In which area does it rain more? The answer, it rains more in Amazon River Basin in Brazil. Question number 3. From which directions are winds flowing towards Brazil? Answer, winds flow towards Brazil from southeast and northeast directions. Next question. What could be the reason behind that? Student must write it by own. Next question. What could be the obstruction in the way of these winds? Answer, the Great Escarpment and Brazilian Highlands could be the obstruction in the way of these winds. Question number next. Which type of rainfall will occur because of these winds? Answer, orographic rainfall will occur because of these winds. Question number 7. Correlate these winds and rainfall. Students must write this answer by own by observing given figures. Question number 8. In which part of Brazil are the average temperatures low? Answer, the average temperatures are low in Paraguay-Paraná River Basin. Question number 9. Identify the rain shadow area in Brazil. Describe its climatic characteristics. Answer, the rain shadow region is found to the northeast of the Brazilian highlands. In Brazil, it receives only 0 mm to 500 mm average annual rainfall. The average annual temperature in this region is between 23 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Question number 10. In which region do you find a higher temperature? Answer, we find a higher temperature in the region near the equator in Brazil. Question number next. Question number 11. Considering the latitudinal extents of Brazil, where will you find temperate climate in Brazil? Answer, we will find temperate climate in Brazil to the south of Tropic of Capricorn, to the south of Great Escarpment and Brazilian Highlands. Question number 12. Describe the winds blowing between 0 degree to 5 degree north and south zone. Answer, the winds blowing between 0 degree to 5 degree north zone will blow from the northeast towards the equator. On the other hand, the winds blowing between 0 degree to 5 degree south zone will blow from the southeast towards the equator. And question number last. Which method has been used to show distribution of in the map given on page 25 of the textbook? Answer is the isoplate method is used to show the distribution of the annual average temperature, and the choroplate method is used to show the distribution of annual average rainfall. Student must write these all questions and answers in their classwork. Thank you.